Good morning. As you can see, this is PS4 Pro. This particular console has a BLOD problem with it. As you can see here, it shows some RAM ICs. We have to check some RAM ICs. This is the common issue with this PS4 Pros. So technically, we have to open it and we have to check it. Stay tuned. I will just show you. Now just I opened the console and I checked it. So it's this RAM chip is gone. As you can see, the location of this RAM is 6767. So particularly we have to check whether which one is overheating. So I find out this one is overheating. I already cleaned it and reballed. I already removed all the solder balls from this side. So you can see this chip. This one is the damaged one. So we have to replace this one with a new one. As you can see in this video, this one is old one which is damaged, and this one is a new one. You can see this. We have to simply replace this chip, but this is damaged one. Now after 2 hours of this checking this one, you can see all the balls has been aligned. As you can see, each and every ball is good. Just simply we are missing one ball here. You can see here and one here. So simply we have to replace this two solder ball. That's it. And I think so one here. So this is the new chip. I already tried to fix it, but I missed some solder balls. Now we will inspect the both motherboard racks. As you can see here, we have each and every trace of this ball is in perfect good condition. So now simply we have to place the IC and we have to just reflow it, so it will get fixed. Now it's clear. Compulsory you have to inspect each and every track for these traces, because what will happen in some cases, some of the tracks will get damaged when you try to clean it with shield wire or copper wick. Someone will say this as copper wick, but someone will call it as some like copper wick or something like that. So we have to ensure each and every trace is good and perfect. As you can see, this track and this track is not important because it's not connected to any of the tracks to the CPU directly. Just we will come back, we will try to fix this and we'll come back and we will show you. Already I installed each and every screw in this PS4 Pro. Now we will just boot this console. I think it will boot now. I already checked for DTC errors. There are no DTC errors. It's simply showing it's working on UART. UART is nothing but a simple diagnosis tool used for repairing these PS4s. In another video I will show the whole technical details of how UART works. Yes, it's working now. As you can see here, now let's check the software version of this console. So I will try to hide some MAC address on this console. Now you can see this console is on 10.50. Now we will play some game. So technically this is my first video. Some of my customer told me to make some video on your repairing, so that's why this is my first video I've recorded. So please don't mind if there is any sound issues or something like that, any disturbance in the video. Thank you.